Hey everyone, let's start this class. The class name is Speak English with Me. So you have to speak in English. You can't skip this part because we do so many grammar rules, we learn vocabulary, we do everything that is possible, but we skip the most important part, and that is speaking. So if you want to speak, that means you have to speak. There is no other option than this. So let's start it, and you have to do it every day. You have to make your habit, and then after some time it will automatically, you'll feel something incomplete if you don't watch this series. So you'll have to watch this series. It is a type of compulsion, and more than watching, you have to speak with me. So these sentences are very very important, as well as very basic, है ना, that we can use in our everyday life. So yes, yesterday we did shopping English. So today also I'm going to continue this series with this shopping English. So let's start. So the scenario is cashier to customer. तो सपोज आप मॉल वगैरह में हैं या कहीं पर भी हैं, तो आप जो कैशियर है वो आपसे बात कर रहा है, तो उनके क्या क्या सेंटेंसेस होते हैं, वो क्या क्या बातें बोल सकते हैं, तो उसको हम इंग्लिश कॉन्वर्सेशन में देखेंगे. एंड देन वी विल रिवर्स द डायलॉग्स, दैट मीन्स द कस्टमर टू cashier. Okay, so let's start. Today I'm not going to read Hindi, I'll read only and only English. इफ़ यू फील कि अगर आपको वो चीज़ समझ नहीं आई है, देन फॉर योर कन्वीनियंस आई हैव ऑलरेडी गिवन हिंदी पोर्शन एज वेल, सो यू कैन रीड इट बाय योर सेल्फ, बट आई एम गोइंग टू फोकस completely on English. So let's start it. Hey, hello, did you find everything you were looking for? Right? Hello, did you find everything you were looking for? Hello, did you find everything you were looking for? Yeah, you have to do one thing. You have to assume yourself that you are a cashier, and you are going to say these things, right? You assume yourself that आप है cashier, ठीक है, देन ओनली यू विल बी एबल टू स्पीक. सो अपने आप को अज्यूम करिए कि आप अभी इस समय कैशियर के रोल में हैं, तो आप ये बातें बोल रहे हैं. तो अब चलिए, अब आपको बोलना है मेरे साथ में. हेलो, हेलो सर, डिड यू फाइंड एवरीथिंग यू वर लुकिंग फॉर? हेलो सर, डिड यू फाइंड एवरीथिंग यू वर लुकिंग फॉर? वुड यू लाइक अ शॉपिंग बैग? वुड यू लाइक अ शॉपिंग बैग? Your total is 300 rupees. 300. Your total is, whatever the amount is, we'll say your total amount is, or your total is this. Hey, hello sir, do you have a membership card? Do you have a membership card? Suppose that person says no, then you can ask, would you like to sign up for our membership? It is free. Would you like to sign up for our membership? It is free. How would you like to pay? Cash, card, or UPI? How would you like to pay, sir? Cash, card, or UPI? How would you like to pay, sir? Cash, card, or UPI? Please place your card on the machine. Please place your card on the machine. प्लीज़ एंटर योर करेक्ट पिन नंबर, है ना, पिन वैसे उसमें ऑलरेडी नंबर है हमारा. सो योर पेमेंट इज सक्सेसफुल. थैंक यू सो मच. पेमेंट इज सक्सेसफुल और पेमेंट सक्सेसफुल. थैंक यू वेरी मच. सॉरी, द कार्ड हैज़ बीन डिक्लाइंड. वुड यू लाइक टू ट्राई अगेन? सॉरी, द कार्ड हैज़ बीन डिक्लाइंड. वुड यू लाइक टू ट्राई अगेन? Do you need the bill printed or digital? Do you need the bill printed or digital? Do you want the bill printed or digital? Here is your receipt. Here is your receipt. There is a discount on the second item. Would you like to add one? Sir, there is a discount on the second item. Would you like to add one? This product is non-refundable once you opened. This product is non-refundable once you opened. We have a return policy for 7 days. Please keep the receipt. We have a return policy of 7 days. Please keep the receipt. Thank you for shopping with us. Have a great day. Thank you for shopping with us. Have a great day. Now let's see customer to cashier. Now customer, now assume yourself that you are a customer, and you are a customer, हम लोग जाते ही हैं, है ना. So suppose now assume that you are a customer, and these are your sentences. Hey, can you scan this for the price please? Hey, can you scan this for the price please? Do you accept UPI, Google Pay, or Paytm? Do you accept UPI, Google Pay or Paytm? Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? Can you check if there is any discount on this item? Can you check please if there is any discount on this item? Can I get an extra carry bag? Can I get an extra carry bag? Is gift wrapping available here? Is gift wrapping available here? Can I get an extra carry bag? Is gift wrapping available here? Can I return or exchange this item later? Can I return or exchange this item later? Can I have the bill please? Can I have the bill please? Can I have the bill please? I think I was charged incorrectly. Can you check it again? I think I was charged incorrectly. Can you check it again? Do you have a membership program? Do you have a membership program? Can you hold this item? I'll back in a minute. Can you hold this item? I'll back in a minute. Oh, I don't need a bag. Thank you. I don't need a bag. Thank you. Can I get a smaller one? Can I get a smaller one? Can you scan my membership card? Can you scan my membership card? Can you apply this discount coupon? Can you apply this discount coupon? Sorry, I want to remove this item. Sorry, I want to remove this item. Can I get change for 500? Can I get change for 500? Thanks a lot. Have a nice day. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day. So, I'm sure ये कितने बहुत बेसिक कॉमन डेली यूज सेंटेंसेस हैं दैट यू हिंदी वाले सेंटेंसेस आप एवरीडे यूज़ करते ही हैं एंड आप चाहते हैं कि आप अपनी कम्युनिकेशन को इम्प्रूव करें बट स्टिल यू आर स्ट्रगलिंग वाई बिकॉज यू डोंट नो दीज फ्रेजेस सो लेट्स लर्न दीज फ्रेजेस and your target is that you have to revise these sentences again and again and try to speak them if there is nobody with you with whom you can communicate, but try to speak them in alone. No worries, you can speak it by yourself or you can record it on your WhatsApp है ना, योर वॉइस, देन यू कैन सी योर वॉइस कि वहाँ पे क्या क्या मिस्टेक्स हो रही हैं. सो इन विद दिस देयर आर सर्टेन टेक्निक्स, डेफिनेटली दीज टेक्निक्स चेंज एवरीथिंग एंड आप अगर उनको अपनाएंगे तो आपकी भी बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें बेस्ट हो जाएंगी. और इस सीरीज़ को आप एवरीडे देखेंगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली आपको इतने सारे फ्रेजेस एवरीडे सुनने के लिए मिल रहे हैं तो आप ऑब्वियसली आप फोर्सफुली ही सही बट वो चीज़ें आपके मुंह से ऑटोमेटिकली निकलने लगेंगी. कंडीशन यही है कि क्लास को एवरीडे देखना है. ये क्लास एवरीडे आपकी शाम में 4 बजे आती है. ठीक है, सो चलिए मिलते हैं अगली क्लास में. बट स्टिल अगर चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया देन दिस इज़ वेरी बैड. डू इट राइट नाउ एंड टेक केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ. बाय एवरीवन.